I will still explain just how to use numberings in the Google Sheet. I will call the VLOOKUP here. Okay, so this is the example. So I type the number 3 in this cell. So you see that name, 6, and class will change automatically. And the question why, I just type the number, and why name and 6 and class show automatic, because you know that all of here I create the numbering forced to call the VLOOKUP. In this attendance sheet, I just add the number in this cell. So the 3 columns, name, 6, and class, will show all of the information to show here. Okay, now we gonna to practice all together. Okay, I select all these cell and press delete. Okay, ready remove. And next, I go to attendance list. First, I need to create the numbering of this cell. I need to select all the cells that I want to create the numbering. Next, I click on data and choose numbering here. Look at the right of the side here. Remove the name in this box. In here, numbering, I add list. Okay, so this is the number of column A2 to column F11 that we make group, or we can say make the numbering. Next, click done. I close it. Okay, I go to attendance sheet here. In here, type the student number 4. But the problem here, also it doesn't show the name, 6, and class automatically after I type the number of the student ID in cell. Okay, if you want to show, you just click on cell here, press equal, and type VLOOKUP. Okay, we just type VLO, and the formula will show you like this, and just click on the formula, click on ID, comma. Okay, range. You need to call the numbering that you create at the moment. You just type list. Okay, so here you just click on this numbering that you create. Next, comma. Index, it means that the column that you want to show from the student list. Okay, so the name, I know that the number 2, because number 2 is column B. Okay, so right, comma, and is short. It means that I add 0 and close the parenthesis and press enter. Okay, you see that this is the answer. We use the VLOOKUP call the ID match. It will show the name in here. The example 2. And if you want to call 6 and show the result here. So 6, you can count the columns here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so right. Goes to attendance and also press VLOOKUP. Click the formula and click ID, comma, and also range. You just type list. This means the call list numberings to show in this cell. Okay, so right, comma, and also index. So index that you count the column is number 4. Alright, comma and 0 and close the parenthesis here and enter. So this is if we change to number 2. Okay, you see that the student name and 6 will change. Okay, so this is the example that we use the numbering that call from the VLOOKUP and show the answer here and faster. Okay, I think that can help you work and faster. And with class, this is the homework finished.